Hi everyone, in this video we'll talk about another math trick which can be used for faster calculation. For example, if we have to multiply 64 and 5. So another way to write this same number is by 64 into 10 by 2. And a lot of time we cannot think of that uh, for the calculation. So in that case it is very easy. Half of 64 is 32. So the answer is 32 and a 0. So it's 320. Again, if I have to multiply 78 by 5, so the answer will be equal to half of 78, which is 39, and then a 0. So that's 390. Again, if I have 128 and I want to multiply by 5, that will be equal to 64 and a 0, and that's your answer. Another trick is to multiply by 25. So if I have to multiply 64 by 25, then we can write this as 64 into 10 by 2 into 10 by 2. So we have to take half of 64 two times. So in that case, half of 64 is 32, half of 32 is 16. The answer is 1600. Again, if I have 128 and want to multiply by 25, in that case it will be equal to half of 128 is 64, and half of 64 is 32. It's 3200. um, Again, let's go to one more trick. If we have to multiply by 125, so how do I multiply by 125? So I'll take example. So 128 I want to multiply by 125, then that can be written as 128 into 10 by 2 into 10 by 2 into 10 by 2. So we have to divide 28 by 2 three times, or we can divide it by 8. So if we divide 128 by 2, that is 64, and half of 64 is 32, and half 32 is 16. So the answer will be equal to 1600 and one more 0. So this trick may not be very convenient lot of times, because dividing something by 8 is not very easy sometimes, but it could be handy at certain times. Um, Now let's do another thing. If we have to multiply 120 by 15, so how will I do that? In that case, what I'll do is I'll take half of 20. Half of 20 is 60, and then I'll add that into 120. So this is the equal to 120 by 2, right? So here that will be equal to 180. Then I put one more 0, then so that's my answer. So again, if I have 100 and 180 to multiply by 15, that will be equal to half of 80 is 90 plus 180. So 18 and 9, that's equal to 27. Two zeros in the end. So that's our answer. So I hope this trick helped, and I'll see you in the next